Welcome to this presentation on the injection mold assembly process. Today, we will focus on the installation details of the slider system and its precise actuation during mold closure. The slider serves as a critical component within the mold, designed to manage lateral core, pulling or undercuts, with its dimensional and positional accuracy, directly influencing flash prevention and product dimensional consistency. Insertion: the slider is accurately inserted into the guide slot. Special attention should be given to the stop block located at the base of the slider, which ensures precise positioning in the open mold state and prevents displacement due to inertial or gravitational forces. Inclined guide pin installation. Next, install the inclined guide pins onto the fixed plate. These pins serve as the driving mechanism for slider movement, with their angle typically ranging between 15 度 and 25 度. It is essential that the pin angle precise line matches the corresponding angled holes in the slider to ensure synchronized motion. As the moving mold approaches the fixed mold, the inclined guide pins mounted on the fixed mold engage with the angled slots in the slider. Forced reset driven by the contact force from the inclined guide pins. The slider moves smooth line toward the mold center line, the forming position along the horizontal guide rails. This motion must occur without resistance or binding to ensure reliable operation. Locking phase. Upon full mold closure, the locking wedge positioned behind the slider firmly contacts the rear surface of the slider. This element plays a vital role in resisting the lateral pressure exerted by molten material during injection, thereby preventing unintended slider displacement. Mold parting line integrity. A micron level sealing contact must be achieved between the slider and the mold insert to prevent visible parting line marks on the final product surface. Positioning consistency. Verify the proper function of limit springs or retaining clamps during repeated mold opening and closing cycles. The slider must consistently return to its predefined position to maintain process reliability. Although slider system designs may vary, their fundamental principles remain centered on three key aspects: positioning, sliding, and locking. Accurate assembly and routine maintenance are essential for maximizing mold service life and enhancing production efficiency.